Hey everyone, welcome back to Adventures with Edna. I'm Chris, and today we're headed out to Joe's Lake. They're sponsoring a car show with Shelton's Smokin' Butt Barbecue. So we wanted to go out and check out some cool cars. We were actually planning on going to Cars and Coffee first thing this morning, but it was pouring down rain, but I had a contingency. I'd also like to give a shout out to Axel Snake Dog. Sean over there at that YouTube channel has been talking to me the past few days. Seems like a great guy. I've had a chance to watch some of his videos. So if you haven't checked him out, I'll leave a link in the description below. So you guys head over there, check out his channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like his style of content. But anyway, we're going to go out to Joe's Lake and hopefully check out some cool cars. I was going to say, I cut out some of the driving in these videos and kind of waited till I got closer to the location because some of you guys thought the driving parts were kind of boring. So I haven't been doing too much of that lately, the last couple months. But anyway, let's continue on.
Just a little bit of a disclaimer here, but during the show there was copyrighted music playing, and so I had to cut out a lot of the audio
Slow
and replace it
barbecue
with songs on my editing app. So
it's busy.
Bear with me, guys. There's some of the cars are pretty cool here.
Yeah. Hey, how's it going?
Good. You coming to enter your car?
I'm not going to enter it, but I was hoping I could at least park with them.
You can park with them. Fine.
Cool.
You got to enter.
All right. All right, thanks. I don't know if these are technically speed bumps or has something to do with drainage. Hey! I want to be cool and pop my hood too. Alright, let's check out some cars. How you doing? Looks like you have an electric fan running. Wow, that thing is tiny. What size is that?
About 27 horse, 4-cylinder. So I actually had a really good, really long conversation with this guy about this car. I'd never actually seen one before. I believe it was called a Crossley. And he said that his father had bought it in the early 60s and they had kind of always done I guess it was basically just kind of like a little farm Jeep type deal. And he had a nice little book that was had his restoration process in there and some other photos of what it looked like before. But he did such a great job with this restoration that it actually looked brand new. I thought it was a kit car or something that he had recently purchased, but it's all fully restored. It was really cool, and it seems like he had some really good memories with him and his dad on the car. But unfortunately, there was copyrighted music playing in the background, and the whole conversation I had with him, I had to cut out because you could hear the music, and the copyright police will hit me on the video. So, unfortunately, I'm trying to. That's going to be pretty much the case for the rest of the video. So, I'm doing the best I can with some of the sounds available to me. So, bear with me, guys.
Got the kick.
So we had to come inside because the camera overheated before we made it to the second row of cars. So we figured, why not get some of Shelton's Smoking Butt Barbecue? And here we are. So we're going to eat, let the camera cool off, and then head back out. All right, we're going to make a second attempt at this. Hopefully we don't overheat. There's really no shade out here at all, so there's probably a good chance that's going to happen again. But Shelton's Smoking Butt Barbecue, loaded nachos, excellent. I highly recommend it.
Okay, so I was actually wrong on that. I meant to say loaded fries, not the loaded nachos, but they were still awesome. So, yeah. That song was super weird. I'm going back to the other one.
Got the kick.
And of course, everybody's favorite, Edna.
Well, that's going to do it for this week's episode of Adventures with Edna. We've seen all the cars here. We didn't actually enter this car show, so we're not going to be here till the end of it. Good luck to the winners. We saw some nice trophies down there, so that's going to be a nice treat for those guys. Thanks again to Sheldon's Smoking Butt Barbecue for putting this on. We had a great lunch here, so that was great. And thanks to everybody who came out. We had a good time looking at all the cars. There's some really impressive rides out here. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.